What's your name?
Ferdinando.
Ferdinando, and?
Heavy.
Where do you come from?
We come from the USA, from America.
Yes, but the nice thing is that you are Sicilian now.
Yes, I am. My family comes from Sicily.
Hey, tell me your story. You live here, you bought here a house. What happened?
Well, my wife and I, we would come every year to visit Italy, and then we started visiting Sicily. And I found out that my family originally came from Favignana, and we started visiting Favignana, and we decided to, when we retire, we want to move here and live here because we really enjoy the people and the food and just the culture. So we retired and we came to Sicily, and we wanted to look for a place near Favignana, and we ran into Castellammare del Golfo, and we just fell in love with it. The food, the culture, the atmosphere, the people. Went back to Florida, sold everything, and moved here permanently.
You come back sometime in USA? No, you live
No,
here.
we live here. This is our base. We want to travel a little bit, so we figured we love Europe, and we're gonna stay here as a base, and then we'll travel to different countries from here, just for small trips. But this is our home now, Castellammare.
Which part of USA do you come from?
Florida.
Florida.
Originally from New York. So, no, this is a very nice place. The restaurant here, most all the restaurants are very, very good, but this one here in particular has good fish. We enjoy coming here, and pesce spada is awesome here. So